Alright, I'm here in the Fayetteville area, and I stumbled across this very kind of secluded cemetery. It's called the Combs Cemetery, and it's in a, like, kind of hidden away in this industrial park. And it looks like a very old cemetery, and I just thought it was worth getting out and taking a look at. This area, like 20 years ago, was a very remote area, and now it's just completely built up with all these buildings and stuff. And actually, that building in front of me right here, that concrete kind of looking box, that's actually part of the cemetery. It's kind of odd. There's a couple of graves there that are sectioned off. And look at this. This is dated 1858. So these are some very, very old graves. Kind of interesting. It's so sad that some of these are just, it's just like a little tiny piece of rock. That's all it is. Hardly anything. Or, someone's obviously been taking care of this place. Some of these markers, there's just nothing left. Kind of sad. Can't even really read that. These all look like they're from the 1800s. What's interesting is I think this house here, this looks like the caretaker house, which is, fairly modern looking. Definitely kind of Civil War era cemetery. Let's see, this looks to be about the newest style gravestone. Oh, excuse me, that dates to 1956. Yeah, look at this. 1876. Wow. Yeah, this area is just booming with construction activity. It's so interesting to see this just like portal into a different time just right here amongst it all. Look at that, 1862. 1898. Yeah, 1898 again. Very, very old graves. I love this old fencing that you see in cemeteries. This old wrought iron fencing. It just, over time, it just ages in such an incredible way. It just has such an amazing, patina to it. Oh, look at that. This tree. Dated 1903. Look at that. The tree has completely engulfed that little headstone. Wow. But see, this place was not it doesn't look like it was abandoned, so it looks like it's been cared for. Wow. No way. Look at this. And this is a hand-done headstone. I think it says Nancy Curry, born 1899, died 1983. Can you imagine living through that period from 1899 to 1983? What changes you would have seen. Look at that amazing little statue. Anyway, very random stop here today, but I'm starting to kind of enjoy these really old cemeteries. I find them interesting to look at. So this is pretty new, 2013. 1948. It's also interesting to see the style of the headstones. I mean, look at this from 1948. It still had almost like an Art Deco kind of look to it. And then, you know, the newer ones look totally different. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it.